Today, we're going to talk about the investment calculator tab. It can estimate the return up to 5 investments. Warning, this is not financial advice, so please seek professional financial advice from an advisor for all investments. First, what we're going to do is we're going to choose our currency. If it's not shown here, we're going to go here, here, and then we're going to copy and paste our currency here. Next, we would pick our start date. So for this example, we'll just do August 2024. Next would be the estimated number of years. So the max is going to be 50 years, but for this, we're just going to do 30. Right here is going to be a visual of all of our investments, and then what's left is we're going to start adding them down here. So we're do for first, we're going to do stocks. For an initial investment of 50,000, our estimated annual ROI would be 8%, and then our monthly investment would be 500. Next would be our real estate. For initial investment for 50,000, and then our estimated ROI would be 5%, and then our monthly investment for $1,000. Then as you can see, it's going to auto-populate on our sheet. Over here is going to show us the overview of our two investments. So this is the amount that will be estimated over the 30 years, our total initial investment for 100,000, our total monthly investment for 1,500, and then the average ROI for 6%. Here is going to show us the total investment that we've put in, so 640,000, the total interest accumulated over the 30 years for 1.5 million, and then the estimated ROA for 249%. In this graph, the green shading is going to be the total investment that we put in, which is the 640, and the shaded part right here is going to be the total interest accumulated over the 30 years, as well as all the information is going to be shown down over here. If you want to see them separately, they're going to be right over here. So it's going to show our stocks, our real estate. So if you remember, our initial investment was 50,000, our monthly investment was 500, and the rate of return of investment is 8%. And this is going to be our estimated balance over the 30 years. Same thing, it's going to give us the total investment, interest accumulated, and the estimated ROI. So let's say that we want to make an adjustment to our monthly contribution for our stock investment. We go over here where it says adjustment, and then for the month of August 2024, we were only able to contribute $400 of the planned 500. So we'll just click here. We're going to do minus 100. And now it's going to say 400, and then all the numbers are going to auto-populate. But let's just say for the month of September, we were able to double our monthly contribution. So it would be 500, and now it's going to say $1,000, which is going to reflect on this. This sheet is a great tool to understand your investments over time and make sure to adjust those contributions when needed.